Welcome to Kabbalah Talk, where the wisdom of Kabbalah meets the world you actually live in. I'm here with Rabbi Yakov Shepherd. Rav, thank you for doing this.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
So every week we're going to take one idea from Kabbalah and make it something people can actually feel and use. Where do you want to begin?
Let's begin with something everyone is holding right now. Look at your hands. 10 fingers. 5 and 5. According to one of the oldest texts of Kabbalah, those 10 fingers are a map of the 10 forces through which God creates and sustains the entire universe.
Wait, my 10 fingers are a map of creation?
Exactly. There's a book called Sefer Yetzirah, the Book of Formation, a foundational text of all Kabbalah. It says the world was created through 10 Sefirot, 10, not 9, not 11, 10 channels of light through which the infinite, which has no image, no limit, reaches down and becomes a world we can live in. And then it says these 10 are in the number of the 10 fingers. You are built in the image, B'Tselem, of the structure of creation.
Can you name them so we know what we're talking about?
Of course. At the top is Keter, the crown, pure will, the first spark of I want to create. Then Chokhmah and Binah, a flash of insight, and the mind that develops it. Then the emotions, Chesed, boundless kindness, Gevurah, strength and boundaries, Tiferet, the beauty that balances them. Then Netzach and Hod, drive and devotion, Yesod, the foundation that connects everything, and finally Malchut, kingship, where all of it becomes real, becomes action, becomes this world.
That's a lot to hold. Give me a way to picture it in a language we all speak today.
Think about the phone in your pocket. Behind everything on the screen there's an operating system. Code you never see, running quietly, turning invisible electricity into a whole world of apps and faces and words. You don't see the code. You see the screen.
So the 10 Sefirot are
the operating system of reality. The Ein Sof, the infinite, is like the power source you can never look at directly. And the Sefirot are the 10 processes that take that formless light and render it into a world, into kindness and judgment, into time and space, into you and me. When our tradition says the Torah is a light that shines through us, this is what it means. You are one of the screens that light is rendering onto.
That gives me chills, but you always say Kabbalah isn't only to understand, it's to experience. Can we actually feel this?
Let's do it right now. If you're somewhere safe, not driving, let your eyes close and let your breath slow. Breathe in and out a little longer. Now bring your attention to your two hands. Just feel them, the right and the left, 5 fingers and 5. Let the right hand hold the light of kindness, of giving, Chesed, and the left, the light of strength, of holding back, Gevurah. Feel how a whole life is lived between them, between giving and holding, between yes and no. Now imagine a fine line of light coming down from far above, from the source, down through the 10 channels, filling the hands, filling the whole body, the way sunlight fills a room without emptying the sun. You're built in that image, the map is in you. And gently let the breath bring you back.
That was beautiful. For anyone who wants to sit inside an idea like that, really experience it, guided, not just hear about it. That's exactly what JMeditate was built for. The link is in the show notes. Rav, bring it down to the ground for me. How does this touch my ordinary day?
The 10 Sefirot aren't only up there, they're your inner qualities right now. Chesed is your kindness. Gevurah is your boundaries, your discipline. Tiferet is your balance. And here's the practical Torah of it. Most of what goes wrong in a life is not a missing quality. It's an unbalanced one. Kindness with no boundaries ends up hurting people. Strength with no kindness becomes cruelty. The work, the avoda, is to bring them into harmony, the way 10 fingers work together to do one gentle thing.
So what's the practice for this week?
Once a day, ask yourself one question. Where am I out of balance right now? Too much giving or too much holding? Don't fix it. Just notice. That noticing is the beginning of tikkun, of repair.
That's simple enough to actually do. Rav, this was just one idea. And there are 10, and behind them whole worlds. If someone wants to really learn all of it in order,
then come and study with us properly, step by step, at King David Kabbalah. The link is in the show notes. It would be my honor to learn with you.
And if you want to walk this whole season with us, one concept every week turned into meditation and life, join our community. You'll get every new episode the moment it's out, plus our free course, Introduction to Kabbalah, to get you started. One link in the show notes. Rav, thank you.
Thank you. And may this light shine in you all week.
This was Kabbalah Talk. See you next week.